So Instagram released their new feature of recent, that the repost feature, and it has got people talking that what's going on, what's going on, what is Instagram trying to do? So what exactly is the purpose of this repost feature? Just entering Instagram and it is what they are talking about. So welcome to my page. I talk about this is AJ Tishes. I talk about how to grow your social media presence. This is my Instagram page, as you can see. So let's go back to what you are talking about. What is the purpose of the repost button? As a creator and as someone that wants to start growing on any social media platform. So if you look at, okay, let's start with what the creators platform have to tell us. They said new repost. They said reposts allow people to share reels, photo, and carousels they find interesting with their friends and community. When you create share-worthy reels and posts, reposts not only help your content reach more people, but also ensure all of the views and engagement is attributed to you, the original creator. So from this first slide, we get to understand that Instagram is trying to integrate a system, like I can say that, okay, system from X that helps creator get more visibility through getting other creators sharing them. So I can say that, okay, this repost features will overshadow the remix feature, from the way I'm saying it and from my experience. I can't That's not confirmed yet, but from the way we are seeing it, this repost feature we swallow the remix feature. And the benefit of this what are they calling it, the benefit of this repost feature will be more for the creator than the reposter. Let me use that word, reposter. So what I'm trying to say here is that the people that a content that gets more repost will get more visibility. So the reward of this feature is for the creator, not the people that are reposting. So what are the advantages if you are trying to now, how can you use these repost features to your advantage? Now let's decipher how we can use this repost feature to have advantages. So as a person trying to grow on Instagram now, you should understand something about Instagram, that anytime Instagram releases a new feature, they always want to, what are they calling, they always want people to use it. So you will experience visibility when you try to use that kind of features. Like for instance, even as just make sure you join the you participate in using the features. This will help you. So from the creators aspect, they said the benefit of using the benefit of using the repost feature is visibility boost. As I said earlier, it will boost your visibility, but the visibility will not be for the people reposting, it will be for the reposted content. So from the first, they said over the years we have seen people add reels and post to their story as a way to express themselves through content. Repost functions similarly, but instead of adding a post or reel to your story for only 24 hours, content you repost appears in your followers feed and your profile. From this aspect, if you are looking towards monetization, for I'm talking about pages that have gone very big, very large, this will be a monetization opportunity for them, in the aspect that, okay, over time people will start going to this big page to repost their content, because when a page reposts your content, it gets shown to their audience with you getting all the credit. That is a good monetization for, are you getting it now, for big pages. Maybe you have a very big page and you're thinking that how can this repost feature help you. One of the benefit that is not being stated here is that it will be a monetization avenue for big creators. And let's continue what they are trying to say. He said, and when your reel or post is reported by someone else, it is now eligible to appear in the feeds of that person's follower, even if those people don't follow you. So you can see the visibility boost will be a monetization avenue for big creators. From another side, that creator credit, yes, this will give credit to the creator always. The creator we have the, what are they calling it? We have all the full accreditation of their content, even though it's being reposted by another big page, it's being reposted by another person. All the credit will be directed to the creator. They said how to repost. Then how do we get to repost? Okay, from what we are seeing on my feed now, we can see that the repost feature also appears on reels. So the repost feature is not only for what are they calling it, it's not only for feed posts, it's also for reels post. So you can get to repost reels while watching reels, which is a great advantages that to people that post reels. So how to repost, that means how to repost. Abi? So to repost reels and post to repost reels and posts you find interesting on Instagram, I want to recommend to your followers in their feeds. Tag the repost icons. When you repost content, you can also share your thoughts by adding text to your repost. Just so to understand this better, Instagram integrated the system of repost from X. Are you getting it? So if you understand much about reposting on X, it will help you when you are using reposting on Instagram. But you must understand this thing that okay, one of the reasons why Instagram is releasing this feature is to one of the basic hiding reason, to be sincere, is to just make sure that in any avenue they are better than TikTok. Are you getting it now? So the benefit from what I've been saying earlier, the benefit of this repost feature. Let me check my page. Maybe I've had any what are they calling it? Any repost. I think I had maybe few. This video gave me 2 reposts. So I know that over time I will get more. So one of it is to just make sure they push TikTok to their edge. That's it. Any feature that Instagram is releasing, make sure you open it one, but you must understand that they are just trying to fight against the TikTok competition at the dark side end. You can see, I know that you will be using trialis. For instance, now I use trialis every day, and to confirm that when you participate in any new Instagram features, you get views, you get visibility. See my trialis views. You can see I just posted the first one you are seeing of recent. I think you can see everything. So what you must understand about Instagram is that any features they released, try to make sure you open it quickly. Don't waste your time on it. Don't waste your time on it. Repost is out. Open it. Try to create content. Go and learn about how people get to repost content on Twitter. Like what content gets reposted more. Try to create content around that in your niche to get more reposts. Because as time goes on, as more people get to repost your content, visibility will come. Instagram will reward those features with views. Are you getting it now? So that's what we are going to be talking about repost. And if you want more tips about growing on social media, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.